Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a quick video just to show you how I did the facelift on my Mercedes E-Class W211 an 05 plate. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. See you in a bit. So here is the bumper. I bought 2008 E-Class Avant-Garde bumper. So what I did, I paint the full bumper in metallic silver 744 the code. It looks really nice. The only alteration that I did was the parking sensors, the plug that connects to the car plug was a flat one. I don't know if you can see, but I had, probably no. The one in the car is a round one, so I had to cut all the wires and soldering all together. So this is the new grille. It's missing the Mercedes logo. I got the new release, the big one, and that's it. No modifications. This is how it looks. It looks really nice. Everything works. I painting black gloss all the plastic trims. And this is my facelift. Thank you for watching.